The Audi A1 is a premium small car offering a smooth ride and tidy handling. Starting at £22,250, it's pricier than rivals like the Peugeot 208 and VW Polo. However, it lacks the Quattro four-wheel drive system, available only in the Audi Q2. The A1 offers a range of petrol engines, from the 94 horsepower 25 TFSI to the 148 horsepower 35 TFSI. The 30 TFSI with 108 horsepower provides adequate performance, achieving 0-60 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds. The ride is smooth, especially with smaller wheels. Inside, the A1 features a well-organized layout with digital instruments and an 8.8-inch infotainment touchscreen. While the interior feels premium, some cheaper plastics disappoint. "I love that Audi has managed to capture that big car feel in a small package," said Lawrence Chung, New Cars editor. The A1 offers decent front space, but less legroom than the Mini 5-door hatch. Rear space is average, fitting 2 adults comfortably. The boot is practical, accommodating 5 carry-on suitcases with an optional height-adjustable floor for added flexibility. The A1 holds its value well, with slow depreciation. The 108 horsepower engine is fuel-efficient, offering lower CO2 emissions than the Mini. While Audi's reliability is below average, the A1's competitive servicing costs make it a viable option.